Good Sunday morning, friends. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I am doing, what is it, number 9? No, number 9. Day 9 of the Junk Journal July Challenge, hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. And I'm realizing that this page is crumbling, so I need to back it and to protect it. So that's where I'm going to put my Day 9 challenge on, so that can be protected. And I forgot to mention the challenge today is balanced, and I have to admit it's kind of got me stumped. But I guess I'm going to interpret balanced as kind of the same thing on each side of the page, but slightly different. So anyway, the first order of procedure is to glue this down to my paper here. So that's what I'll do right now. I think that's pretty good. There's a little part here that still might crumble off, but it's not going to affect much. It is attached to the hinge on the other page, so it might be okay. And I do apologize if you can hear Blue's Clues singing in the background, but my daughter is very much into Blue's Clues today, and I wanted to get this prompt done. So, my idea was to take these two little envelopes and paste them on like that. I'm going to use this little tag in one, and since that one has a little flower on it and this one doesn't, I thought I would put a little stamp right there. And but I want to try to make it like this, so I'm going to have to cover up the bottom with paper. So let's do that. I hope you're all doing well and having a great Sunday so far. So in my mind, if one thing is over here and one thing is over here, and this flower is here, then to balance it out, I would put the flower over here. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, some people might interpret that to be the exact same thing on both sides of an imaginary line. I don't know. But not me. I'm doing it this way. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it's what I'm going to do. So we're going to do that, and then we have sort of a balance there. So that one's going to go in there, and that one's going to go in there. This one's actually a sticker, and eventually later I might back these up with some cardstock, but for now we're just going to do this. So that's going to go in there. And now also some people might think I should have the same color envelope on each side, but I thought they're kind of like both pastels, and so that's how I'm interpreting that. I know it's silly, but that's how I'm interpreting balance. And to decorate these, I'm going to use some daisy stickers on each one. Not the same daisy sticker on each one, but they'll both be daisies, so that's good. So I'm going to use this one, and let's see, maybe this one big one over here. Does that look balanced, or should I have one and one? No. Let's see. See, now I'm second guessing myself. Should I have two or one? No, I'm going to stick with it. They're both daisies, so that's kind of the same. I'm going to peel this off camera though. Alright, so I have put some double-sided tape on the back of my envelopes, and I also put the date and the number on little label stickers, but I still feel that I'm going to need to put something here and here. This also knocks it kind of off balance. So I might like put a word up there on a sticker, label sticker, to balance that out. And at some point I can put quotes on these little tags. Oops, I almost put it in the wrong spot. Okay, so that's how that looks so far. And now, like I said, I feel like it's a little bit off balance because of this. So let's see what I can figure out. I may end up just putting stickers here, but I don't know yet. Okay, so for balancing this and this, I found this little sticker, and I'm going to put this words all sorts of colors on there because I figured there's all sorts of colors on there and it fits perfectly into the little label. So that's what's going to happen there. I guess I could write balance on it actually, now that I think about it. Maybe I'll do that. I'll get my little stamp set and write balance on it. So my word balance is slightly bigger than my little tag, so I think I'm going to try cutting this one a little bit and extending my label out. There, that doesn't look so bad. So now I think I will maybe use black ink because there's black ink on that, even though there's brown ink on that though. My daughter is getting hungry, so I'm gonna have to go. Oops, I just broke my word in half. Okay, let's get that back together, ink it up, and hope it works. I guess I can always do it again if I need to. I have a feeling it's not flat enough under there. Oh, that's not too bad. The B didn't come out quite right. Maybe I can do that again. I don't know. There, that's a little better. Well, so I still don't feel I'm done. I need to do something here and here. I'll be back after I get my daughter some food. So I think I'm just going to put some more daisy stickers on each side because I don't think I have much time left to do anything else. I would like to do more, but maybe we'll do this one. That's the same. No, that's the only yellow one in there though, so no. Let's just go ahead and, well, that's the same as that one. Maybe we'll get some different colors out here. I've got other stickers. Oh, those are my real pressed rhododendrons. Here we go. Let's try some of these stickers. We got purple. That doesn't seem balanced. That one's so much bigger. Oh boy, now I can't decide. Here we go. Oh, that's the same one. No, we don't want the same one. We want a similar size one. That's pretty, and that shows up really well. Let's see what else I can find. Actually, how about this and this? That's good. Not exactly the same, but small. So let's do that. Alright, so I decided to use that one instead of the purple one because it's both the colors of these two tulips, so it's more balanced. So this is my spread for balanced, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We are having a very rainy day here, and it's kind of gloomy, but I do have something I want to show you. My sunflowers are blooming, and that cheers up any kind of rainy day. Well, I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope that you are happy and healthy. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. And I don't know what it is because I'm not near my desk anymore. So you'll have to be surprised. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.